This is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2006 Mazda 6, stock number 6077. This ran from 07-2005 to the 2nd 2008. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 3 dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre, right rear door 1 dent and some scratches, right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door 1 dent and some scratches, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,